Are you coming down to help me? I need your help. Thank you. The other one didn't have a notch and it wasn't a winner. I thought it was gonna be because the first one, well, she's looking for more diamonds on my face. Because the first one I scratched off was a 7. But it wasn't a winner. I only got 2 7s. I needed one more to at least win a prize. Bummers. We got 179 and we're on a line. How about that? Let's see if we can get a winner on this one. It's only $1, but I heard today that somebody won $1 billion on a $1 ticket. And I'm like, yeah, when does that ever happen? Wouldn't that be nice for me? Say, how many millets can $1 billion